Okay, my friends, the first trade is closed. Okay, my friends, so one more trade is closed with profit. Let's don't invest our whole deposit in the first trade, this will not be wise. And let's try to open sell position. As you can see, price is moving in the downgoing channel without any corrections. Moreover, price currently is below both of moving averages, so for us that means that we're currently in a strong sell zone. Moreover, now we're staying on the bottom line of the Donchian Channel indicator, and that's why, according to the current market structure, I can say that we're highly likely to break through the bottom line of the Donchian Channel and start falling more and more. So that's it. First trade has already been opened. Now let's just wait and see what will we get from it. By the way, my friends, concerning my Telegram channel with the best analytics, trading signals, and the best stuff ever for each trader, I would like to tell you that very soon I will close it for everyone. So that's why you still have some time to join it. But after this, it will be closed, and currently this is your last opportunity to do this. So don't waste your time. If you want to become the best trader ever, you still have just a few time to join my Telegram channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. Okay, my friends, the first trade is closed. We have closed with profit, of course. Our current deposit is around $223 on the account. According to the current candle pattern, we are trying to hit the upper edge of the Donchian Channel. Once again, let's change our investment to $110 and let's try to open sell position, because according to the pictures that I observe right now, we are receiving the pullback reaction from the upper edge of the Donchian Channel, which acts like the resistance line zone. So that's why we are receiving the pullback reaction from the zone. And of course, I have opened sell position according to this fact. So that's it. Let's check. Let's see what will we get from here. Okay, my friends, so one more trade is closed with profit. We have around $324 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. So let's do this. Price is currently below two moving averages. Let me change our investment to $160. And let me open sell position in the continuation of the current downgoing movement. Sell position has already been opened. $160 are invested in this trade. Now, of course, once again, let's just relax and see what will we get from here. By the way, my friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best signals ever, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a message like, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Okay guys, while I was talking, we have already closed this trade with profit also. We have around $470 on the account right now, and we are ready to move forward. First of all, we are trying to hit the upper edge of the Donchian Channel once again. The previous attempts were unsuccessful, so that's why I decided to open sell position right now, because it's highly likely that we will once again receive the pullback reaction from the resistance line zone. So that's why $220 are invested in this sell position right now. That's it, and let's wait and see what will we get. So it's done. We have $672 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. We still have enough time to open one more trade for today's trading session. Here the situation looks much better, so that's why let's change our investment to $350 and open buy position, because as you can observe, we're currently in a very strong buy zone. So that's why, moreover, both moving averages are below the current market price, so that's why we can be sure that we should continue buying this asset. And according to the Aaron, oscillate, so we still have enough space for the current growth. So of course I have opened buy position here, investing our $350 in this trade. Well, so it's done. We have $994 on the account. Just imagine we started with $150 and we have turned them into around $1,000 just within several minutes. So my friends, if you want to have the same results like me, you can easily do this by joining my Telegram channel, link for which you can find in the description, and be sure that very soon I will close it and this will be your last opportunity to join me in my Telegram channel and my dream team. So that's why I do this right now. Don't be a loser, be with me. I'm waiting for you. See you all and bye bye.